Hey guys, this is Josh Sek here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do a review of this Infinix AI Buds. Let's go. Hey guys, again this is Josh. Welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, so we have here a new AI Buds from Infinix. So from the word AI Buds, this has the ability to actually translate your language to another language if you want. So you can actually access that one on the AI Mate application. So all right, so this time, so actually guys, for you to use this one is you're going to use this one here, the icon. It's a headphone, so it means that's the language that you're using. And the France, so which is here the phone sign, it's actually the one that will translate. So actually right now I'm speaking in English, and it is actually now being translated in in French. So I'm not sure if you can really how do I say, like, read this one if you're in France. So let me know if this translation is really correct. So okay, and to my French audience, I want to say hi. Okay, if you're there, please let me know if the translation is correct. Yes, so that's it guys. So this is a very nice way for you to really communicate easily when you're outside and you're traveling with your friends, or if you're traveling alone, and you just want to really just show this one directly to the person, and you're talking directly on your headphones. Can you see, it's a very good way, and it's a very nice innovation that the Infinix AI Buds has for you. So guys, okay, here is the box of our AI Buds, and then here we have here the quick specifications. So it has a Bluetooth version of 5.4. So it has AI translation, again, hybrid ANC or active noise cancellation, high quality sound, and interactive touch screen. So what I really like guys is that from the word interactive touch screen, so most of the AirPods that we have, we cannot actually touch them. And then now we have here the different kinds of QR code that you can actually use. So this one, this QR code here for your manual, and this one is for you to download the QR code for the AI Mate application for AI translation, and also preferred sound effects, customer support, and more. You're all right, and yes, this is it guys. So let's open it. Okay, so here is the buds, but before that, let's check what's inside. So we have here another box. Okay, so inside, okay, let's check. We actually have here the manual. Okay, so as you can see, so it's all in here. So if you have any questions on how to connect, so just refer to your manual. Okay, we have here the warranty card, and yes, on how to operate your AI Buds. It has also the Type-C cable, so it's right here. And we have here the free ear tips that you can use. All right, so let's check. Okay, our AI Buds. All right, so let's take a look at the product itself. So this actually guys, the AI Buds actually feels really premium, and the case here is very sturdy. It's very sleek, and at the bottom, so we have here the Infinix branding and the Type-C port, and we have here the wake button here at the bottom. So let's check. So we have here our AI Buds ear tips. Okay, as you can see, so it's more like a four-sided at the bottom, and it has here the different is the design. Okay, same as the left. Okay, and here is the inside of the case, the charging case. All right, so this is like my favorite, guys. So yes, the AI interactive design. So as you can see, it has this, animation, and it's really cute. Okay, so when you swipe to the right, guys, so you have here the different kinds of feature. We have here the camera control, noise control, volume, and what video control. And also when you swipe up, so we have here the different options. So we have a setting, okay, and EQ sound, okay, what you want, camera control. All right, and we also have here the lock screen wallpaper, so you can actually change, guys, so whichever you like. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're very cute, guys. So this one actually has a kind of plastic here, so let's remove that one. So it's really nice. Okay, we have here like the penguin. Okay, and what is special about this one, guys, is that when you are going to use here your earbuds while you're wearing them, and when you, for example, when you go to another country like France, and you don't know how to speak their language, you can actually just directly speak, okay, using your Infinix AI Buds, and your phone will actually translate it directly to French or to any other language that you want. So it's just very easy, guys. So I will show you the what it looks like. So guys, this is actually our AI Mate application. So okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's searching for devices. All right, guys, so we are going to connect our Infinix AI Buds. So just let's tap the Infinix AI Buds, and then let's open the case, and let's long press here for 3 seconds. So it says they're allowed to access. Just tap on allow, noise control, and it says they're used now. All right, so now I'm gonna put my Infinix AI Buds, okay, on my ears. Okay, so right now I'm actually using our AI Buds. So now let's have here conversation interpretation. Right, so guys, okay, I'm gonna just close this one. And not only that, it has also real-time interpretation. And then we have also here the different kinds of features. So long press on the left, so that is to switch noise cancellation. Long press on the right, so that's also switch noise cancellation. We have here the different preferences that you want. So we have our records. All right. So actually, I've used this one, guys, for already a couple of days, and I really think that this one is really nice, especially if you want to listen to music. You can enjoy the music. You can also use this one for translation. So I think Infinix is really doing its job, and yeah, for me it's 10 over 10. And guys, if you would like this video, kindly click the thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to our channel, and let me know about your thoughts about this Infinix AI Buds, and what are the pros and cons that you also experience. So guys, once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys on our next review. Bye.